Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking through a connectivity troubleshooting step for specifically Windows computers, and specifically Windows computers that use ARM processors. The Easel driver works fine with computers that use ARM processors, but sometimes you'll have difficulty connecting and downloading something like the FTDI driver that we have available on our website doesn't necessarily fix the issue, and that's because ARM processors use a specific type of architecture and it needs a different type of FTDI driver. So we're going to talk through how to identify if your computer has an ARM processor, and then what to do to install the ARM processor FTDI driver on your computer to help your computer connect to Easel. I'll have a link to that driver in the bottom of the video, so you'll be able to click on that and go straight there. But first, probably the easiest way to identify if your computer has an ARM processor is by going to System Information. If you click on that, you'll see right here it says Processor. My computer doesn't have an ARM processor, but it would say right here Processor, and then most likely it would say something like Snapdragon. But if you look at your processor and you're not sure, or if it's difficult to identify, you can just search it on the internet and just search your processor name and then ARM, and that should give you the information you need. But that's how you would find it, just by opening System Information. And then to kind of get the ARM processor, once you've identified that you need one, or the FTDI driver, you can go to, again, I'll have the link down below, but it's a company called FTDI Chip. If you click right here and then to VCP chip drivers, that'll bring you to this page right here. And you're going to want to download the Windows Universal ARM driver. And we'll do that right here. And then if I open that in my downloads folder right here, it's a zip file. So the first thing we're going to have to do is extract it. So when you select it, up in the file window, you'll be given the option to extract all. When you click on that, you'll just want to extract it. That'll give you the extracted file and then bring it into the file. And then you'll just want to click on image here, and then FTDI bus. If you right click on that and select install, it'll move through an installation process. And then if you right click on FTDI port and click install, it will run through the install process. And then after that's done, you'll just want to restart your computer. And you can tell which ones you need to select, because a lot of them say FTDI bus or FTDI port. It's the ones with setup information in the type. And again, if you just right click and click on install, it will install those. Then you restart your computer and then try to connect to Easel again. And that should help with connecting it. But you'll only want to do this again if you've got an ARM processor. If you're using just a regular computer processor, then the traditional FTDI driver should work just fine. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.